Wired remote thermostat. A very common question, that what is this wire with the A, B, C, D, E stamped on it? What is it for? This is for an accessory wired remote thermostat that can be simply put on the wall. You don't have to worry about the remote control thermostat getting lost, batteries going dead, anything of the sort. The wired remote thermostat actually works off the power of the machine and very easy to connect, and it also will allow you to read temperature from the space where the thermostat's located. It comes with a box with a remote cord. If the cord is not long enough, then you can extend the cord, and that is what your A, B, C, D, E labeling is for. It is for the wiring, so you know exactly how each plug goes on each end. To be connected, it's as simple as removing the retainer clip and plug in. You take the plug from the thermostat or the extension cable, simply plug it in, and the remote thermostat is done.